Christina G here, and this is my artistry. I got fancy nails today in red. Sometimes I try to look pretty. All right, dusting off the canvas. It's 24 by 12, and we're gonna do a split color pour today. So I'm gonna do half the canvas in Phthalo Blue and the other half in white. That's Phthalo Blue. This is Primary Blue. A copper. Gotta have metallics. Here's my gold metallic. And then I actually bought a orange metallic. So I want some shimmer in this. And I've made this pink with just some red and white, of course. So let's get down to it. I'm gonna draw a line first. I don't want the line to be perfectly down the center, so we're gonna be artistic here and divide it how we want. Let's get going. Time to rock and roll. This is called Puddle Pour, and that was the primary blue. And now I'm going to do the pink. And the orange. Gold. Copper. We're going to flood the outside of the colors so that it will help move, and we're going to blow them over with a hair blow dryer. At this point I have to think of a strategy, so I'm going to blow to the right and to the left, take a deep breath and hope it works out. I'm blowing this with a torch. And watch out, there's my Punky Brewster bun. Time to use the hair blow dryer. Love what happened there. You really got to know when to stop, and I don't. I should have stopped here, but did I? Of course not. It felt too easy. It felt too simple. I mean, it takes a lot of effort to set this all up, but once you're using the blow dryer, and you get to this point, it just felt too easy, so I kept toiling with it. I should have just stopped right here. It looks cool now, just like it is. But did I stop? Of course not. Of course I didn't stop. Why would I stop? I'm an artist that's used to painstakingly working on things until wee hours of the morning. Sometimes. I like staying up late. And there's the big mistake I did. Why? Why? Oh, let's see how I can fix it. Then I made another mistake. Putting that little extra flare on the corner. As soon as I did it, I completely regretted it. Look at that. I'm totally messing with the composition here. I need my negative space, and I've just blown that. I'm gonna take that off, clean that up, put the white back on there to get the negative space back. I can't believe how long I toiled with this. All right, torching, and I'm gonna clean up these edges, and I'm gonna call it done. And there it is, finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.